So today I'm in Google Slides and I want to show you guys how to draw basically in Google Slides. So I have taken a screenshot here of this toolbar and I just want to label it with all the things. So actually this is a great plan. Like I want to show you how to draw things, so I'm going to label this, which I have to do anyway. All right. Cool. So right now you can see that selected is the mouse cursor. The mouse cursor is how you grab and move things, how you select things. So I'm going to put a rectangle around it. Okay, rectangle, and then I'm going to rectangle around it and, oh, okay, so now I have to change the properties of that rectangle. I'm going to change the outline to be red, and I'm going to change the inside to be transparent so that I can see through it. There we go. All right, and then I may add a line, and my line's going to go, see how it creates those purple dots? That allows you to align it. You can turn this on and off. I'll do it in a second. All right, I'm going to draw a line from here to there, and then I want to add a text box so that I can label this. All right, text box, right here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw myself a text box, and I'm going to say this is select. And then I'm going to move it around a little bit so that it fits better. All right, there's that. Okay, we just did one, so I'm just going to add an arrow here. Here's an arrow. You go to line, and then you go to arrow. And I'm going to point this arrow right at this text box. And I'm going to label it. Ooh, I want to change the weight. Make it thicker and turn it maybe blue. All right. Now my text box is right here. And I'm going to label this. This is a text box. Okay. Move this down so it fits better. Okay. Now the next one is a picture. So I'm going to do a circle around it, I think. All right. Circle. Yeah, come on. There we go. Circle. I'm going to circle this. And again, it's going to come up like this, which is not helpful. So I'm going to make this transparent. And then I'm going to add a line. And I think I'm just going to add a regular line this time. Ooh, I'm actually going to do a curve. So I'm going to curve this right here. And then it goes like that. And you can go again. And when you double click, it'll end your curve. And then I'm going to put a text box here that says image. Note that if you just click the text box and you don't click and drag, then it'll make one that's like really big and one line. So there's that. Okay. The next one I've been using is the shapes. So this time I think I'm going to use an arrow. And I'm going to show you guys how to, all right, there's my arrow. Okay. I need to make it transparent or it's not going to work. I'm going to change the weight. So right thus far I've been using 1 pixel, and I think I'm going to use 3 this time. And then I want to turn this guy around. So I'm going to turn him that direction and maybe make it a little smaller. There. Okay. And then I add my text box, and I'm going to label that as, oh man, okay, it's really long. I'm going to make it shorter. If you double click in a text box, then you can write in it. So this is labeled shapes. Okay. Then I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to do a regular arrow again for this one. And I'm going to go like this. Oh crap, my arrow's the wrong way. Okay, so I could click off of it and turn it around. But I think I'm just going to redo it. Oh no, come on. You have to re-click on this or it doesn't work. Note that the arrow, okay, my arrow goes this way. My options here, last time I drew it and I said I could stop it and turn around, but you can also, the start is like this, and you can make the start any shape. So see what that did? It added a diamond to the start of it. And then you can change this, so I'm gonna make that a little pointy and make it thicker. You can even make it dotted. Okay. Then I'm going to label this as lines and arrows. All right. Last but not least, I'm going to put in this rounded rectangle shape, and I'm going to box these guys in, make this transparent. Okay, make the color maybe green. Change the weight to make it heavier. All right, look, see, it's green. And it's a little thicker, so that's cool. And then I'm going to add my text box and say, these are my border tools. All right. So now I'm actually going to delete these things because I don't want them. And then I'm actually just going to take a screenshot of this and stick it in the notes that I'm making about Google Slides.